Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy working away, checking in with another one. Right here we got a 2023 Mercedes Benz C-43 AMG. 2023 Mercedes Benz C-43 AMG. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the back door, the trim panel, and the door handle, okay? I will show you guys the points first, and then I will show you guys the work. With that said, guys, let's get to work. Alright, with that said, guys, hit that like, bang that subscribe, support the channel. There's a cash app in the link below. If you guys wanna sit on top of the channel, hit that cash app, support the channel, guys. Least you can do. Let me tell you a secret. Come here. You, come here. Don't be selfish. I just helped you out, right? Exactly. Least you could do, support the channel. Yeah, support the channel. All right, with that said, it's your boy working when checking out. I'll see you next video, baby. Bam. All right, guys. Over here, down here, guys. You see there's two screws, guys. That screw, we're gonna take that screw from right there. We're gonna take that screw from right there, guys. Two of them, one right there, one right there, guys. That is a star tip, guys, 5-point. This is it, 5-point star tip. This is a T30, okay? It's a T30, see that? T30 5-point. We're gonna take them two screws from there, guys. And we're gonna turn them two screws to the left. Then we're gonna take them two screws from there. After we take them two screws from there, we're gonna take a flathead screwdriver and we're gonna stuck it right between the groove of the trim panel and the door, and we're gonna pry this thing away from the trim panel, okay? Once we take the two screws from there, guys, I will let you guys know if there is any more hidden screws, okay? Because this is also my first time taking off this trim panel on this particular vehicle, alright? So if there is any more hidden screws, I will let you guys know. So with that said, guys, let's get back to the work. One. That's two. Get your flathead, you're gonna stuck it right between the trim panel. You're gonna pull the trim panel away from the door. Just like that. And you're gonna put your hand between it and pull the trim panel away from the just like that. Okay, so it's just those two screws. Then we're gonna grab this thing and go up with it, and then we're gonna take the plugs loose on the inside. Now we got this loose, we're gonna grab it and pull it up, okay? Like this, and go up with it. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to take these things loose. Let's go take a look. Okay guys, down here, first thing, let me get this light so you guys can see. We're gonna do sorry for the camera, guys. I gotta show you guys these things, so bear with me. This one, I'm gonna do this one first, okay? You guys see this one? You see the small clip right here? Push it out like this. Push it out and pull it out. You're gonna push it out and pull this thing out, okay? got the camera in my hand, so this is not easy for me. Bear with me. I should push it in, guys. This one, push it in. Push it in this way, pull it out. Shit. There we go. Bam, right there. So the pin right here, you're gonna push it in, pull it out. That's one. Now the handle right here, guys, this is a handle wire. We're gonna pull this out. Put it out like this, and you're gonna pull this thing through the groove, slide it out, and pull this thing, push it out. Comes out, just like that. Bam, that's two. Now down here. Down here. Down here. These two right here. 1, 2. See this little clip right here? Push it in, just like that. See the why push it in? Push it in, pull it out. Comes out, okay? Comes out. That's one. Another one right here too. Same thing. Pull it in, pull it out. Pull it in. I got the camera in my hand, so that's not easy for me, guys, but this is how you do it, okay? There you go, both of them. And this bad boy is off the car. Alright? That's how you do that. It's off the vehicle. That's how you do that, alright? Guys, see? Comes right off, guys. Just follow the instructions, it's gonna be alright. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to take off that handle. Alright guys, in order to get out this handle, see here? Pop that piece out, guys. There's a screw down inside there, guys. Once you guys look down inside there, there's a screw down inside there. This is a T20, okay? T20 star tip, 5-point, T20. We're gonna turn that screw to the left. All the way, guys, all the way. We're gonna turn till it feels loose. Once it feels loose, stop. Stop. Hold this handle out, guys. This handle, hold it out. Use the flat head, gently, and pry this piece out. That piece comes out. Hold the handle, slide it out. Slide it backwards towards you. Come right out, okay? Let's put a tape on the door, okay? Do not take that screw back loose. Put some tape on it, put some tape on it to keep the door loose, all right? That's how you do that. Now to put this thing back, just slide it back in, put that piece in and tie the screw back. That's how you take care of that. Bang. Okay guys, as you guys see, it's not that hard, guys. This one is not that hard, okay? Just watch the video
pay attention, get the job done, okay? Like I said, guys, I want you guys to go ahead, hit that like, and subscribe, support the channel, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. It's your boy Working, checking out. Bam!